Today we are going to talk about how to get backlinks for your blog or website. All these backlinks will be 100% do follow, and I have done the research on all these websites, and I can assure you that they all spam free. As you already know, if you get a backlink from person who sells backlinks, they normally make backlinks from websites which have a high spam rate, which Google doesn't like. So the websites I have chosen for today, these 4 websites are spam free, and there is no risk of Google penalizing you. So before I begin, please, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I will be starting a new series on keyword research. I will be uploading videos on a daily basis where I will be sharing some keywords I have found which have low competition, and it will be easy for new bloggers to rank their websites on Google. I hope you guys like this video. Anything you guys need to know, or if you need any more information, please reply in the comment section below. I will try my best to get back to you guys as soon as possible. So thank you, and let's begin. So the first website we are going to make our do follow backlink is dead.net. All you need to do is click on this access account. Then you will be brought to this page, join the community. All you need to do is put in your username and password to log in. If you haven't got account on this website, then create a new account. You just need to go on access account, then press create new account, put in your email address, choose a username. Then you can put in public profile information. It's optional, but if you want to add some details, you can. Then put in your full name. I will put mine, Danish. Then you just need to put in your website URL. In my case, it will be flickr.com. Also remember, you can put in your blog or articles URLs also. And here you just need to mention your interests. So if you have any interests, like mine is web design, SEO, game development, you can put your interests in there. For now, I'm just gonna put web design, SEO, and game development. This is just for the profile we are creating. Next, you just need to choose your country. Mine is United Kingdom. So here is United Kingdom, and then I will put in my postal code. Right. Now you need to agree to privacy policy and terms and conditions of this website. Read through these 5 terms. If you agree, solve the captcha. Let's look for buses. Okay. Verify. Create new account. Right, once you press create new account, it might take up to a minute or 2, but sometimes it's quite fast. Always remember, you can create multiple profiles on this website with different emails and create backlinks. That's how simple it is. Now check your email. You should get email from this website, and to log in, you need to follow this URL inside your email. Once you go on the URL, it will bring you to this page where you can create your password. So let me create my password. You can upload your profile picture. You can write your about me, looking for, and that's it really. Now save the info. Once you save the information, everything is done. So you just need to go on account, and once you come on the go on the account, you need to click on the account, and then it will bring you to your profile. Here is your 100% do follow backlink, and like I said before, you can create backlinks for your articles. You can put the URLs in there, but I'll put my website. So that was first one done. Let's start on our second website, and here same procedure. You need to put in your username, display name, email address, password, website URL, and Twitter username. So you just create your profile. So basically it's the same process. I have mentioned before, and I'm gonna tell you guys again, that I have done my research on these websites, and they are 100% spam free, so there's nothing to worry about. Right, our third website, deviantart.com. You need to go on this website /join, and just create a username, email address, password, date of birth, and your gender, and just agree to their terms and join the website. Once you have joined, it's the same procedure again. You just need to put in your website's URL in the profile, and like I said before, you know, it's a easy process. This is so simple to make, and I will be bringing more websites for you guys to make backlinks from. So they are 100% safe, and they are 100% do follow backlinks. And always remember, you can't carry on making do follow backlinks. You gotta have some sort of ratio between do follow and no follows. I will make another video about this. Our third website is maccloud.com /sign up. So once you go on this link, which I will give you guys in the description below, so you need to put in your first name, last name, username, password, email address, and same as other websites, it's the same procedure. You just need to create your account. Once you have created your account, you can put in your website or articles URL in there, and there you go, another do follow backlink. This is how I made backlinks for my websites, because there's over, I think 550 websites I have, so it's not easy to run all these websites, but we have a great team. To make backlinks, we used to buy them from Fiverr, then we stopped because we were getting a lot of spamming links, so they're not safe. So we started creating our own backlinks. Right now, like I mentioned before, we have multiple websites which I am going to share with you guys on every week, or maybe after every second day. You know, I will upload a video where I will give you guys 2-3 websites where you can create do follow backlinks, and I hope you guys do well. So thanks again for watching this video. This was my first video on this channel. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to keep up to date with the future uploads. Thank you so much guys. Bye.